Today I'm going to read you the National Geographic Kids How Floods Form. How floods form. In 2002, heavy rains in Texas caused a reservoir to overflow. The raging water cleared everything in its path, including trees, boulders, and a bridge. In just 3 days, the floodwaters carved a 1.4 mile, which is 2.2 kilogram long, nearly 20 foot, 6 meters deep canyon. A flood is a rise of water with no place to go. Floods come in all depths, from just a couple inches to many feet. The power of the floodwater is extraordinary and lethal. In less than an hour, strong rain can turn an ankle-deep creek into an unstoppable 30-foot high swell that overpowers everything in its path. Floods occur all over the world. Causes of floods include hurricanes, broken levees or dams, rapidly thawing snow, ice jams, and heavy, slow-moving rain or repeated rains. A flood can happen in a few minutes, hours, days, or over weeks. No matter how quickly it happens or the cause, flooding is deadly. Floods kill more people and cause more damage than any other severe related events. Many die trying to walk or drive through flooded area. Just 6 inches of water can knock a person off their feet. Just 2 feet of water can carry a car away. Let's look at some of the photographs from National Geographic. This photograph is where a house is starting to flood because the water looks like it's coming up. This is showing a whole city that was flooded because the water came up to all the houses and the trees. This photograph is showing a street that's flooded where cars can barely drive because the water's coming up to their tires. Those are photographs and an article about how floods form.